Why busy women are choosing this over box dye. Tired of gray roots showing only days after your last dye job? Sick of box dyes that smell awful, stain everything, and leave your hair brittle? You're not alone. That's why we created the Polar's shampoo, the easiest way to color your hair without harsh chemicals, mess, or stress. Just pump the shampoo onto dry hair, lather it in, and wait 10 minutes. Then rinse. That's it. No gloves, no stained counters, no chemical fumes. It looks so natural, no one will believe it's dyed. Unlike box dyes that dry your hair out, Polar is made with natural ingredients like reishi mushroom that actually nourish your hair while it colors. Over 200,000 customers have already switched to Polar. Try it risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, get a full refund. No questions asked. Click below to grab yours while it's still on sale.